What's going on, y'all? Sean and Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem. Make sure you pause the video so you can read it and take a shot at it, and then we'll go over it together. So it reads as follows: Ben's Burger Joint started selling the Triple Stack Thunder hamburger as well as the Monster Meat hamburger in January. By July, the Monster Meat hamburger had sold 4,300 more units than the Triple Stack Thunder, and the total number of hamburgers sold was 18,256. How many Monster Meat hamburgers were sold? Okay, so this is a pretty easy problem to solve. I'm actually going to take probably a little bit more procedure to solve this problem than I normally would because I want to show you um, the proper way. Well, I won't say the proper way, but the way that you want to set up a problem like this so that you can get similar problems right every time. We're going to set this problem up solving essentially a system of equations. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to read this problem and we want to create equations based on what this problem is telling us. Okay. All right. So check it out. So this says they start selling these two different hamburgers, the triple stack and the monster meat hamburger. So I'm gonna say the triple stack thunder hamburger. We're gonna use T for that, and then we're gonna use M for the monster meat hamburger. Okay. By July, the monster meat hamburger had sold 4,300 more units than the triple stack thunder. So this sentence right here, we can create an equation from this. Okay. This is going to be a system of two equations. This is where our first equation is going to come from. The monster meat hamburger had sold 4,300 more units than the triple stack thunder. So that means that M is going to be equal to T plus 4,300. If M is the number of monster meat hamburgers, T is the number of triple stack thunder hamburgers, then this is true. Here's where our second equation is going to come from. The total number of hamburgers sold was 18,256. That means that T plus M is equal to 18,256. Okay. All right. Now, how many monster meat hamburgers were sold? So that means we want to know what is M equal to. Now, check this out. Because we want to know what M is equal to, we want to ultimately have one equation with M as the only unknown. Right now we have two equations with two unknowns. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve one of these. We're going to make it such that we have one equation with one unknown. How do we do that? So because we know that these, well, these give us two truths. What we want to do is we want to solve one of these equations for t, plug that into t for the other equation. Therefore, our only unknown in that case will be m. So here, for example, we have m is equal to t plus 4,300. We're going to solve this for t by moving this 4,300 to the other side. T is equal to m minus 4,300. Okay. Now, because we know that t is equal to this stuff here, let's plug that in here. So therefore, m minus 4,300 plus m, all I did was substitute this in for t here, is equal to 18,256. Combine like terms, 2m minus 4,300 equals 18,256. Gonna add 4,300 um, to both sides. Sorry for writing a little sloppy. Two m equals, give me a second here. So that's 18,256 plus 4,300. So that gives us, sorry, 22,556. Divide both sides by 2. And therefore, 11,278. So between January and July, we sold 11,278 monster meat hamburgers. That's what the problem was asking us. Now, you can probably see how you can very easily find how many um, triple stack thunder hamburgers uh, were sold. Um, Let me see. Yeah. So anyway, you could probably find that out pretty easily here. But they asked us for this, so this is what we gave. Let me know if you got this right. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with a friend, and have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.